We were sent this 24-piece set of glass containers and lids. And I really like glass containers because you can go from the freezer to the microwave to the oven with these in your food items here. These are some food items that we have left over from our meal today. So it's really nice to be able to have those in containers that make it real easy to be able to reheat it or store it in the refrigerator or the freezer. These lids here have a nice silicone seal on them that can come off. So for easy cleaning, go ahead and remove the seal when you're gonna be cleaning those, whether it's in the dishwasher or hand washing, and then it just pushes right back in there to be able to go. And it's an airtight seal. So we'll go through, pop this one onto this container here, and you can just feel it, how it pushes down there and the edges go over. So you'll push down, and then it just feels like a really nice tight seal on there. And you can hold it from the edges there. But you can see just how nice it seals it in there. So really great to be able to have the different sizes here. So you see you have round, you have rectangular and square. It comes with all the different sizes that you need to be able to have successful storage here. I'm really excited about this as well because this is going to be replacing some of the plastic Tupperware that I have. So I really like the glass here. Really great construction, really high quality stuff. I love it. I know you will as well.